Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Tapswap Wallet Connect option not showing. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, you need to check your wallet's compatibility. Ensure that you are using a compatible wallet for Solana-based app like Tapswap. Popular wallets includes Phantom and Solid. If you are not using one of these, consider switching to a compatible wallet. Next step is you need to make sure that you have a good internet connection. If not, you need to make sure to switch it to your cellular data or switch to some other Wi-Fi. Next thing is sufficient Solana native tokens. Verify that your wallet has sufficient Solana native tokens to cover transaction fee. If your balance is too low, transaction may fail. But if the connection option, which is 2x or 2 times on the top of your coin, if you cannot see that particular option of Connect Wallet, that means it might not available in your region. For most people, it's not available. But for the people that have too much coins in their account, have that particular Connect Wallet option. So you need to also keep that point in mind. So that's basically how you can fix Tapswap Wallet Connect option not showing. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.